Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to see if you're using single or dual channel memory in Windows. So while this can also be referred to as a multi-channel memory, basically it's a chipset on the motherboard that provides memory with two memory channels instead of one. That is the greatest difference between what a dual channel and a single channel. So dual channels are generally better at handling reading and writing, whereas opposed to a single channel memory where the memory is not as ideal because there's a difference between your two memory sticks, and it so happens that one of your memory chips is a little bit slower than the other one. Your motherboard will run the chips at the slowest chip speed. So we're just going to jump right into it. So we're going to use a third-party tool in order to find out what channel memory we're running. So I'm going to open up a web browser here. Doesn't matter which one. And I'm going to type in CPU Z into Google, and then I'm going to hit enter. So the website that comes up should have cpuid.com. Just make sure it's the right one and it's not some sort of advertisement. So left click on that. On the left side here at the time of this recording, there should be an option that says setup English, 32 and 64-bit version. So same setup file for both versions of Windows. So left click on that button. This file is ready for download. Left click on download now. Okay, so this executable is finished downloading. So what you want to do is left click on run. Please know you have to have administrative privileges in order to run this tool. So left click on yes. So you have to accept the license agreement before proceeding with the installation. And then once you accept, left click on next. You just keep the default folder if you want. Keep a start menu icon, and it also will create a desktop icon. You can unselect that if you so choose so. And then just click on install. I'm not going to view the readme text. So at this point I'm going to open up our new program here. Click on yes. This will take a couple moments, especially the first time you open it up. So then you want to go underneath the memory tab. Underneath channel number here, it'll either say single or dual. If it says dual right here, then your RAM is running in a dual channel mode. If it only says single, that means that your RAM is running with the slower single channel mode. So very straightforward and simple to find. It's just that I'm in a virtual machine here, so nothing's populating these lists, but it would be listed right here underneath channel or right next to channel and underneath the memory tab. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.